Good morning. I'm in the shop today. I'm going to be taking off the rounded edges of 2x4s in order to use them for several projects I have going on for Christmas. That being said, I like using 2x4s because they're cheap, they're easy to come by. You can make them look great as long as you're adding something to them. I'm going to be painting most of these. I might burn one and use a oil finish on it, but softwoods are not meant to be burnt. You know, it doesn't improve their qualities any more than what a stain will do. Hardwoods are great when they're burnt because they have more sugar in their wood. Pine, spruce, Doug fir, anything of that nature has a lot of resin in the wood itself. Yes, I'm going to get a lot of comments saying, oh, well, you know, you can't use pine in furniture. You can use anything that you have available. Now, whether or not it's fine furniture, that's a whole different ballgame. And yes, pine is very soft, especially the white pine studs that you get that you're using to build frames with, as far as framing a house, trusses, joists, whatever. You don't use fine furniture wood for that anymore. Now, what you end up with is roughly just a sliver. And that's it. And I'll do multiple passes on multiple different ones. And that makes good kindling. It's just pine. A little dusty in there. I guess I ought to turn my dust collector on. But anyway, I will come back in just a second. Okay, I'm back. Now, I've run all of them through. Now you have to adjust your fence again to take off the other side. We'll call that. Okay, a few things about this table saw. I do not have the riving knife attachment on right now, nor do I have the guard. At this point, I'm just taking off a simple edge off of a structural 2x4. This little rounded edge here, yeah, it meets up with another one. You take these and you set them side by side. You see you have this little cove here now because it goes down in and comes back out because of these two rounded corners. I want them to mate up flush so you don't have this line running through. It's just a aesthetic thing for me. Yes, you can do it this way. Yes, you can leave them this way. I like when they marry up a little bit better and it's flush all the way across. Yes, you lose about probably about 1/4 of an inch because you're going to take an 1/8 inch off each side. So you're going to end up 1/4 inch less. So now instead of it being 3.5, it's 3 1/4 inches wide, because a 2x4 that is kiln dried starts off as a 2x4 but dries down to 1.5 by 3.5. So they shrink both this way and this way. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to take off these. Yes, you're going to lose a little bit. Instead of that, you're going to be, you know, 1/4 inch on each one. So you're going to be 1/2 inch off the total width if you marry two together.